The biggest misconception when it comes to ultrasound training is that in order to attend an ultrasound training wet lab, you need to have a lot of experience holding the probe and seeing ultrasound images to attend. However, our approach with ultrasound training is very universal and geared towards beginners and advanced sonographers. And the way that we lecture is we focus a lot on the nuts and bolts and principles, and that's guided by a protocol that we try to simplify so that when we do segue off in individual group stations with a sonographer, they're feeling and getting the confidence they need to capture an entire protocol. With up to 12 hours of scanning over the 3 days, we then have a program after they leave in which we have 30 days where we have mentored feedback on cases they submit. And to me, in the experience I've gained with past attendees, is it's building that confidence after they leave that really ensures that they continue to use this in their clinic and provide this great modality for their pets.